Hi, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Fashion Hair Club. A hairdo refers to the way that a person's hair is styled or arranged. A hairstyle refers to the specific cut or design of a person's hair. Hairstyles can be short or long, curly or straight, and can be achieved through various methods such as cutting, styling with heat or products, or braiding. Some popular hairstyles include the bob, pixie cut, and French braid. The choice of a hairstyle can depend on a person's personal style, face shape, hair type, and other factors. It is important to choose a hairstyle that is suitable for one's hair type and face shape, as well as one that is easy to maintain and style. Trending haircuts and hairstyles can vary depending on the current fashion trends, as well as individual personal style. Some popular haircut and hairstyle trends that have been seen in recent years include lob, long bob. A lob, or long bob, is a medium-length haircut that falls just above or below the shoulders. It is a versatile haircut that can be worn straight or wavy, and can be styled in a variety of ways. Bangs, or fringes, are a popular trend in haircuts and hairstyles. They can be worn with a variety of haircuts, from short pixie cuts to long layers, and can be styled in many different ways, such as swept to the side or straight across the forehead. Textured hair, which is hair that has a rough, uneven, or tousled finish, is a popular trend in haircuts and hairstyles. This look can be achieved through the use of hair products, such as pomades or sea salt sprays, or through